Every Prime Day, I see the same pattern of behavior. People are buying the most discounted product instead of buying products that will make their life easier. This is how I came with an idea to create a buying guide. Hi everyone, this is Valentine. I am an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube, and today I am gonna be sharing with you my most favorite DJI deals that I think are actually worth buying. My task is always the same. Does this actually buy back my time and effort, or is it just clever on paper only? Let's get started, guys. I'm going to show you two main products and one in addition side products, and we're going to talk about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera and DJI Power Station. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo. That's the most favorite camera to go. I travel a lot. I have a 3-year-old who never sits still, and I film on the move. So a camera lives or dies on how little it gets in my way. This one removes the friction. The 1-inch sensor shoots in 4K and up to 120 FPS, which just means sharper details, smoother slow motion, and clean footage in tricky light like sunsets. The 2-inch screen rotates, so I flip between wide YouTube shots and vertical clips, let's say for Instagram stories or TikToks, instantly. The 3-axis stabilization is the part I actually feel. It stays smooth even when I am chasing my baby through the house. Active Track 6.0 keeps me centered when I film alone. It has an autofocus who locks on fast, and the included mic handles clean audio. It also shoots 10-bit color with a flat profile, so there's far more room to grade sunsets later. It slips into a pocket easily, and for any creator, traveler, or parent, it is the one of the easiest cameras I have ever used. So I will highly recommend you guys to get it this Amazon Prime Day 2026 if you have the opportunity, because hey, that's the lowest price in the year, right? And this is a DJI gifting guide. Then my second pick for this guide is the DJI Power 1000 Station. I work from home, I travel a lot, and I carry more tech than most people with me on the go. So a backup power isn't a luxury, it's just my daily logistics. It packs a 1024 watt per hour battery and puts out 2200 watt continuously. It can go with picking at 2600 watt, so it runs 99% of the appliances and gear people actually plug in. What sells me is the convenience. It recharges from the wall in about 70 minutes total, and it runs as quiet as 23 decibels while charging, so I can voice over and charge at the same time. And it is cleared with 26 safety certifications. The battery handles up to 4000 cycles, roughly gives you 10 years of a lifetime with a 5-year warranty, and it has a built-in protection against overcurrent and over discharge. So if you are looking for a home backup or for camping or filming on location, just to have a power on the go, it is a small size, a compact, a lightweight, and well guys, one honest thing, it takes solar up to 800 watt, and you can add a solar panel to it. Yes, if you prefer the solar panel, you can buy it separately. If you are getting the DJI Power Station, definitely get the solar panel as well. Now guys, all 3 items are discounted right now for the Prime Day and DJI Day. Yes, there is such a thing, DJI Day. How cool is that? And you can see the live pricing on the deal pages. By the way, all the links down below in the description box. Now DJI's Amazon and official store also have promos and discount code and big discounts on gear like the mic, the Osmo Mobile, and Romo. So guys, look around, don't snooze because you're gonna lose, and Amazon links gonna go first, and then I will list the official store links as well. All at the description box, as well as gonna be pinned to be the very first comment at the comment section. So guys, before you grab whatever has the biggest discount, ask yourself, what is actually buys back for you? That's the test everything goes through here, and there is always a next one coming. Guys, be so very sure to check DJI out. I'm gonna leave you all the links down below at the description box to this video of mine. You are welcome to go check everything out. DJI gonna have an amazing sales on their official website as well. So guys, don't snooze because you're gonna lose, so go check everything out. I truly hope that my guide was helpful for you. These products, I have already made a full reviews of them here on my channel, so you're welcome to go check them out if you want a full review with all the functional, you know what I'm saying? So guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.